Thanks for watching another video with Stand Up Men. I am your host, Sherman Owens, and in this video, we'll talk about 7 valuable lessons that I learned from difficult times. Lesson 1. Failure is necessary to grow. Failure and success aren't opposite, they are part of the process. Lesson 2. Difficult times are necessary. Life isn't a linear line, it's a wave of good and evil. Embrace the tough times because they help you grow, thrive, and teach you to be grateful. Lesson 4. Problems aren't always negative. Sometimes some storms come to clear your path when you can't decide where to go. A problem will arise to clear the path and guide you to your destination. Lesson 5. Change is constant, not variable. You are always in a state of constant change wherever you go to settle in any situation. An event may arise that forces you to change. And that's how the world works. You are in a mode of discovering and learning new versions. Lesson 6. Energy is finite. Invest it wisely. Pick your battles wisely. That's the way to survive in this world. Every action doesn't require your reaction. Your reactions to specific actions set the tone in your life. So choose your reactions to what you want to invest your energy in. Lesson 7. Be grateful for everything. You should thrive on living a peaceful life alongside your hustle to live a great life. When you're grateful for the small things around you, happiness will cost less. And that's what every individual should aim for, finding happiness in small things. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for related information as well as the freebies. Also, additional resources that we provide. 1 Corinthians 15:58. Therefore, my brothers and sisters, stand firm. Let nothing move you. Always give yourself fully to the work of the Lord, because you know that your labor in the Lord is not in vain.